Ever wondered what it's like to build an AI that can strategize like a grandmaster? Today, we're bringing that reality to the screen. Welcome to a story of innovation, strategy, and AI. Meet Alex, a typical computer science student with an atypical dream to create an AI bot that can master strategy games. Alex's journey is one of curiosity, challenge, and discovery, much like your own potential path in AI. As Alex delves into the world of AI with Strategizer, they're crafting more than code, they're crafting intellect. With each line, with each algorithm, a new piece of the bot's architecture emerges. Starting from scratch, Alex taps into Strategizer, unlocking the secrets of game AI and bot programming. If you were Alex, which game would you want your bot to master? Share your game in the comments. If this tale of tech and tenacity inspires you, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more AI adventures. Imagine you're in the coding trenches with Alex, your hands sculpting the bot's strategy, your mind synced with the machine. What unique features would you program into your bot? We're curious. Let us know below. Strategizer isn't just a guide, it's a gateway to understanding AI's potential. It helps Alex, and can help you, translate theory into action, mistakes into milestones. Feel the intensity as Alex preps for the final presentation. Each word, each slide, each concept is a step closer to unveiling their masterpiece. It's not just Alex's moment, it's a moment for AI. This isn't just Alex's story, it's the story of every future innovator who dares to dream. From coding basics to the pinnacle of AI strategy, the journey is rich with lessons and triumphs. Your path to AI mastery awaits. Seize this moment. Head over to mysoftwarebuzziness.com to unlock the full narrative of Alex and Strategizer and see how it can elevate your game. Stay curious, stay driven, and let's forge the future of AI together. Don't just watch the game, change the game. Until our next tech tale, keep exploring, keep creating, and above all, keep dreaming. Catch you in the realm of endless possibilities.